Hello guys, this is me. And this is ZJ. Say hello.
Hi everybody. Hold on.
I'm gonna test the emotes of mine. Is still gonna work.
Hello everybody. Today, me and Sian play this game. And this is, we need to save.
This is a horror game
Oh,
too.
we forgot. We need to save people of this. And,
Yeah.
And
Room 5, room 5.
Go to room 5.
Yeah.
Disco time!
No!
Yari.
CJ, I am low sanity. I'm gonna drink some coffee.
Oh! The coffee is not yet there. The coffee is not there.
I'm low sanity, you idiot! Look!
Oh my god! Alright, you good. Alright, it will come in seconds. It's coming in seconds. Oh, I
Dadili ikaw
forgot.
day. Ang isugli mo
Sugni mo. Isusugan. Dula tayo.
Hey, sorry, ka-join na me.
First play to me, I again met this. Dula taga niya. Flash. Chameleons.
Wapod ko yan na. Pwede po na share it na, Lawrence?
Chameleons. Yun yan na.
IV drops and maple syrup. Eye drops and maple syrup. Maple syrup. You're working the other patient?
Yeah, I need to check
go.
Done.
It's good. The picture is good.
Let's go to the rumble.
Room 1. He's going room 1. I'm going room 1.
Me too. I'm room 1.
Go to room 1.
Oh my god. My freaking health is so low. Look, I am 36.
Oh, it's here. Almost there. It will 87 seconds.
I'm 86. 36 now. 36 sanity. Why you idiot drink that?
I cannot hear you.
I see you. I see the coffee too. Try that. Eye drops and medicine. Medicine. Sir?
Room 2 is going room 2. Go to room 2.
I'm not yet for the patient.
No, yeah, bro.
Done. Room 2. Room 2. In room 8 is the hardest part.
Yeah, the hardest part is room 8.
Oh my god, why is the customer is an idiot? Take a DNA sample. Why he still bring his top secret?
Probably there's something going on.
Canadian and fever. Thermometer and maple syrup. Thermometer and maple syrup.
Oh, I see it. The coffee is here.
Okay, wait. Do not drink it. Because I'm gonna kill you.
Come on, hurry up, bro. Doctor has been arrived.
Finally. I'm still low.
It's okay. It's not yellow. It's not yellow.
It's yellow, dude.
It's freaking white. It's okay.
No, this number. When it's white
Oh,
and
it's open.
Sige, akong classmate.
hindi. Oh,
No dice. Oh, no dice. Good.
yeah,
No dice. Good.
but zero. Oh, I'm the best. You're the first best and I'm the second best. Okay. Here.
Yeah, a lot of money for this.
Thank
Right,
Brown.
what's it going?
I don't know first. He's not going anywhere first.
Look, will bug. Minecraft, you see that? Minecraft,
Oh my god.
summertime.
Someone just fainted. Someone just fainted. Someone just fainted, dude. Someone just fainted and there's a death counter. There's a freaking death counter. Hurry up, open that.
Roblox,
Do not look up. Do not look up. Do not look
What
up.
the fuck?
Do not look up. Do not look up. Do not freaking look up.
What the fuck, nigga?
Do not look up. Do not look freaking up.
Fight out.
Fever. Thermometer. You're the cashier.
Baby! Mukuyo ko siyan.
Kay siya nako.
Asan mo?
Sa magkuha umang.
Kuha mo guma?
Asan ang kuang mama nimo, love?
Ano ta?
Napkin.
Napkin wa balo. Asa siya? Asa siya CG?
Don't tell me he's going room 8. Room 7! Oh my god, close!
Work together for room 7. Come here. Come on here. Come here. Come here to room 7.
Going room 7.
Yeah. It's 2 of us only on room 7 and room 8 and room 6. 2 of us. Why is the customer slow? Oh, because something is wrong with their body. Prepare patient. Okay, this. Connect that. Okay, let's begin. Heartbeat.
Do not break the skeleton. Pacha sa ni, waman ni bandala. Pacha sa ni. Asan ni pagpatay? Kaya ang battery, ana. You're good. Yes! Let's go!
Heart scan. This here. What he need? What he need? And collect. He need eye drops. And what he need?
I know. I know already.
Tell me, dude.
I drop.
Yun.
Easy peasy. Easy peasy.
Okay. He's recovering. I'm the cashier. I'm the cashier now. Cashier now. Cashier. I'm gonna look at the cameras. He's okay. He's okay. He's okay. He's okay. Look at the picture. Look at the picture.
No one, okay? No one.
Did you look at the picture?
No. Oh, it's normal. It's okay. It's normal. I see a block. I was joking. I was joking, by the way.
Outline?
Yeah, it's normal. It's normal.
Bro, you remember this? You know him? Wala ka kailan. Nakila. Punta mo na bin. Naman yung memes niya.
Di ko. Wala ko remember ana.
Allah. Wala.
Wala ko remember. Unsa na kami? Unsa na kami?
Di mo OG. Brazil to. Brazil na.
Kazukid man. Pero ko ba familiar ko ana, maglain kami.
Hey, not you, buddy.
Ointment and thermometer.
Room 7. Again, room 7. We need to work together. Room 7, bro.
Wait. He's recovering. He's recovering.
Room 7 right now.
Imagine on room 8.
Oh, why you crying, boy? Don't cry. Don't be scared.
Where is he? What the heck are you doing? Don't cry, bud.
He's studying, bro. He's studying. Don't care. He's fucking studying.
I'm low sanity. I need go. Close this.
What? Oh my god, his big eyes, dog.
Told you. I'm gonna look at the security cameras.
You okay, brother?
He's all okay. He's okay. On the cameras. Okay. Okay.
Roommate, this is.
I see it. Room 7. Together onto room 7.
Get in room 7
Why is this employee is still here?
because he want to help.
But not he do nothing.
You do nothing. He's studying there. Medicine.
I think the patient has a heart attack almost. Okay, we need to close the curtains. Close the curtains. Okay, prepare patient. Go there. Okay, I'm good. Set up and go there. And we need heartbeat. Begin.
No!
Al cuarto. Okay, Ragta. Okay.
Bro, we don't have kills now.
Yeah,
No kills.
we don't have 1 kill. But you have
Oh, he's leaving. Finally.
medkit and bandages.
Yeah, hurry up, boy.
Sa pagdiwa ng Cornbake Candy Crush. Nag-imod ka ba?
Room 6.
Room 6.
Room 6.
Room 6 is together. We are helping each other because this is a memory one. This is look like that one level called Limbo on GD.
Kamu nga si Jay, diri sa mga school kay walay klase.
Kasi
Diba, 3 days sila niya mo kay 1 week. Kaya na may seminar among teacher.
George!
One day raming walay klase. May klase 1 day. Only one day ram gumini klase. Pasado.
Boy, you see?
Yep.
You
Dali tara eskwela si Jay.
Yes, I got it.
Can you excuse me because I cannot see? Okay, I'm gonna get some coffee. My sanity is low. Coffee's ready. The doctor's arriving. What is update? What is the best employee?
It will be excellent.
I think it's excellent because we didn't kill anyone. Are unstable. Dili unstable man atong patients. So,
Because the freaking... 5, 1, 1, 0.
excellent.
again. Let's go.
Who is the best? There's no. I'm the best. Oh, where's your money? My money is 301.
Now I can buy. I wanna buy. I wanna buy. I'm gonna buy this one.
Mine is the taser one.
Yo.
Yeah. Mine have the taser one.
You know what? Get out of here, boyo.
Okay, there's someone. Sup, Leo Fox. I'm Leo Fox. You can say Leo the Fox. Okay, I'm gonna go to.
It's room 8. We're so lucky we now get room 8.
Oh, and we in shift 4 we are getting room 8, dude.
What?
In shift 4.
Room 2.
Yeah.
We good. Room 2. Alright. W.
There's no anomalies yet.
I'm going to room 2, alright?
I'm sorry, I'm here already. You're the cashier. Do you check the security cameras?
Let me check the security camera first.
Sorry, he's in.
Yeah, he's good. And the camera, the picture. He's
Cough
good.
syrup.
He's good.
Cough
That's
syrup.
good.
Cough syrup. He needs cough syrup.
It will be room 8. Room 8. Room 8.
Room 8, yeah?
Room 8. Room 8. Room 8. Room 8. Come on, man. Room 8. Room 8. Room 8.
Never again! I hate this game.
Room 8. Room 8.
Do you remember there's an anomaly? Do you remember an anomaly? There's an anomaly and we are trying to save it and just died, and the game tells us it's not a normal people, it's a freaking anomaly. Sleep mode. Oh, Ivy drops. He needs Ivy drops, you idiot!
I just got, bro, I just get it! And dungan na ta! Dungan nun ta! You put 2! It's the same time! Can we kill the patient? Oh my god.
Oh, there's one camera. Wait a minute, what's inside there?
Bro, I swear to god, he go room 8 again?
I hate you.
He go room 8 again?
It's not an anomaly. And what did he say?
What did he say?
He got what? To get a hit on room 8. Don't tell me he's gonna cry like a little baby. Don't tell me he's gonna cry. Tsaka.
Don't go.
Ganun.
Don't go. Don't go.
A guy! Don't go. Don't freaking go. If you want. Idiot ko. Why there's many of them?
Oh, he's gone.
Okay, heartbeat. God, where's the press begin? You're done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Do you remember? Okay,
Wait,
I'm
wait, wait.
gonna look at the security
Let's
cameras.
look at the security cameras.
Okay, he's okay. It's okay.
The picture is okay.
A guy!
A guy. And what? And it's blurry. It's a freaking anomaly.
Good vibe.
Oh my god. Oh, coffee is done. Coffee is done. How many is your sanity?
It is 57. I'm good.
Mine is 72.
I'm good.
Your name is Rafi.
Don't trust anyone. Why you don't trust anyone here?
Look at the security cameras, you idiot.
I don't wanna use security cameras. It's good or not. Yeah, it's
Herbs
good.
and
It's
eye
good.
drops. Herbs and eye drops he needs.
Yeah, it's good.
Herbs and eye drop.
Go to.
Patient's on fire. Patient is on fire, you idiot. Where's the freaking patient?
No, room 6! Room 6!
Right here, idiot. Oh, we need ointment.
Ointment!
Right, room 5. There's someone that started a ritual, you idiot.
Go get it!
It's hard to open.
Yan ang ginawa mo sa ano mo, sa version 4 mo. Ba't mo binenta? Sa PC. Pero yung iba trip na din talaga nila before no?
Phew. Oh my god, this guy, why he started a ritual?
Magirit sa lahat yan. Oo, pag ano, pag nagre-release kami, mga panimaka, pag-serve kayo. Dito naman. Ito nila ginagawa ng iba eh. Buy and sell nila eh. Mas binibenta po nila ng ano, mas mahal ganun.
Kasi limited lang eh.
Limited na. Libre siya ng airpods niya guys eh. Naportahan siya eh. Binibukan naman no. Ganun
Thunder?
Hindi sila nakasagot sa
There's another customer. Where?
Wait, he's still there.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
I have to recover of his burns. I'm gonna recover his burns. Room 3. There's the room 3, ma'am.
You go right? I'm going to.
Oh, there's one camera broken.
Oh, it's
Did you check the security cameras?
Still working on it. I'm gonna check. Good. The picture is good.
On this patient, you see the
Yeah,
camera?
room 4. Go to room 4.
CJ, I'm medkit and medicine. Go to room 4, CJ.
Oh my god.
No phone ka?
I'm not looking up. Don't look up.
Yeah, me too. Don't look up.
Don't look up, bro.
I'm not dumb. I'm not. Take a DNA sample.
I have to drink coffee. I'll be right back.
Maple syrup, herbs. Maple syrup and herbs. Maple syrup and... My sanity is 51.
Mine is 64.
He's recovering. Wala pa banging in here.
Patient have room 1.
In room 1?
Yeah. I mean,
No,
room
there's
7.
room 7?
What happened? Oh, we forgot this one!
Oh yeah! I forgot! He thinks what? Oh, eye drops. I thought my game just lagged. I got it. Walk pick up. Let me check on the customers. The doctor's arriving. Oh hell, that there's an ambulance.
No, sit, bro, we're not.
Don't tell me there's a freaking ambulance. I have a taser.
Alright, let's go. Get ready. Go.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Go. Where? I'm going on room 8. Roommate. Critical. Don't tell me he's going room 8. He's going
No,
room 8.
what the hell?
Okay, sleep out.
I'm going to room 5, right?
Okay, IV drops. Bandage.
Paldo! Walay stock. Lord,
Medkit.
ganang kag t-shirt si Jay. May one tip one t-shirt. Ew, chill.
Scissors.
What the fuck? Look, this one. Look,
Medicine.
Medic.
look this one. T-shirt.
Damn, bro. Alright, he's safe. Room 4.
And they are good.
It's a freaking anomaly. Someone died in room 8, but it's a freaking anomaly.
Oh, thank God.
Oh my god. I scared. Oh my god.
Okay, there is someone.
I get scared. Oh my god.
There's someone in the
Oh my
room
God.
6. There's someone in the room 6.
Oh my god.
Copy the
I
sync
was
quick.
unstuck.
Hmm.
Nalagi kay one si Jay ay si Jordan 4. You heart. You are my heart. Asa palitan?
Yes!
Siyan. Asa kabalit na ton Jordan siyan?
Someone started a ritual
Siyan.
in room 4.
Siyan,
Someone
siyan,
started
siyan.
in a ritual.
Siyan. Asa ka nakapalit na ton Jordan 4?
Saan mo meaning?
Ato bang red?
Put out the candles.
Ato bang red ni mo na kuan?
Saan mo meaning?
Atong imo red ba na kuan? Ato imo red na shoes.
Saan mo meaning?
Red na shoes. You're my...
Oh my god.
Bro, somebody died.
What? Hello? Completed, yes. It's a freaking completed. Dehydration. IV drops. This is my first time. No. Idiot.
I'm building my own World Cup trophy until FIFA tells me to stop. Oh, FIFA doesn't have TikTok. Unfortunately, I completely agree with you. No matter how many times I look for them, they just won't show up. Maybe it's cause they blocked me? Keep tagging them so they can see this video. They can't ignore 98,000 people. If you want want to be part of the biggest World Cup community, claim your own ticket now. We're almost at 100,000
He's recovering. Go to rooms. Room 7 is done?
Don't trust your body.
Yeah, room 7 is done.
One
Oh,
room.
room 6.
Don't trust.
Done, it's done.
Room 6 is always done.
It's recovering. This is my first time just make.
Whoa, we got another one killed.
One room.
One
Don't
left.
Oh, I have stress. I need coffee. Mine is half.
There's more! Ambulance, go, go!
No! Hospital performance.
We just got to!
Critical! It said critical!
No, we got nothing.
Oh, it's critical!
I'm still the best, by the way.
Shift 6! It just skipped shift 5! Okay, he's good. Come on. That guy is a freaking anomaly. Why did he come in?
Oh my god. this is
Shop!
the
Shop!
time.
Shop!
There's more ambulance. Look up, there's more will be ambulance. Run.
Hey, yeah. Ding, dang, dang. Ding, dang, dang, dang. Ding,
No!
I upgraded the hospital.
You upgraded the hospital?
Yeah.
yeah.
Hello, long gone. Dong, 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 dong. Room 1, room 1.
Go to room 1.
Yes, bro. Let's battle get game. Mine's Madara. Okay.
There are stories about this place.
What? Farm.
Camera was down.
Hmm?
Okay.
What
good
camera?
luck. Okay, good luck.
Oh, I found the
Down,
camera.
was down, right there.
I
By
found.
the way, this
Fix
is
the
my
camera.
account. Follow him.
Okay, you're good.
Go.
Room
One.
1, room 1.
Go.
What you doing, man? What you doing, man? What you doing, man?
Roommate! 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 Go to roommate.
Idiot.
Let's go to roommate. Roommate! Go to roommate.
I just got a stalker.
Get pranked, buddy. You got pranked. Wow! What the heck?
Oh, what the hell?
I thought I take back. Room 1, there's 2 people. There's 2 people in room 1.
Come on, hurry up! We need to hurry up.
Here, I'm gonna cashier.
Buried a private jet underground in her own yard, all to hide her millionaire status and give her son a normal childhood. But classmates made fun of him for having no father, for being poor, for never going to an amusement park. In anger,
It's okay on the camera.
land worth hundreds of millions. She planned to surprise
I'm gonna look at this.
from school, but as her son
He's a
broke
freaking
down,
anomaly.
she saw
He's a freaking anomaly. He's a freaking anomaly.
No, stay away from him.
That's a freak. You want to die?
Dude, I need coffee. I'm about to die. I got 10.
I'm sure. Why is already on 52?
Because I drink coffee.
But the coffee will raise up only 5. I see yours in 48.
What are you talking about?
Promise. I'm being stressed. Look, I'm 37. And yours is 51. Do you want to leave your employee?
Oh, wait. This 6th person? Go to 6th person. Just look all around. Check the cams.
Lorenz, alayin sa ko Lorenz. Anang kuan aning sira. Sira, aning sira og kani. Nga. Nga na.
Ako, ipapano na. Oh no.
TJ, you want to do? You're accustomed to
Room 6!
in 3
Room
seconds.
6, bro. Go to room 6.
Your account will be disconnected. And wala pag kabalo
Oh my god, don't look up, bro.
Kabalo ka?
Pagimot ako.
Hold
Dali
mo.
password na parang nahap na lang ko.
Pero need
Di na ko ingon.
Sige na.
Dili. Never gonna happen. Look up.
Gingon ako.
I didn't look up.
Ayaw, naging CJ, isa ko ara. Sige, pag dili yung itugan, mawala imong account.
Don't look up.
Mo, tulak ko kabalo.
Bang, bang.
Kami. Room 4. Go to room 4, Sian.
I'm a baby boy, yari yari.
Yeah, he survived. Completed. Don't look up on room 6.
I need to fix the camera.
What you need?
What? What? What?
Naan si Kuya di ay? You have been kicked by the
What?
It's moderators moderation message profile session and please rejoin. I just got disconnected.
Pag in-upgrade mo pa, mas malayo pa.
Why Roblox? We're gonna end this now.
Let's go get
It's go-
iron.
And it's goodbye everyone.